Hey Glam Squad, what's up? This is your girl Dalou. On my last video, I showed you how I DIY my patio for under $3,000 and save a bunch of money. In this video, I am going to show you how I styled the patio. I hope you are ready for it. We installed a new gazebo. I purchased it from Amazon. It is huge, a 13 by 20. Of course, the hubby did the install for me. It wasn't bad at all. It took him maybe, I would say 4 hours to do the install. Then it was time to add some glam on the gazebo. I purchased this lights from Amazon. I don't really like them much. I think they look a little cheap, but I'm gonna leave them for now. Maybe when I go to IKEA, I will get something else. But they do look cute at night. You guys gonna see them later. Then I added some outdoor lightings. These are from Amazon. They are not good. This is my second time using them and they stopped working. Wogs are from Amazon. I said wogs because I'm gonna be using 2 wogs. I could not find a wog that would please me and will come on time and fit my budget, so I am using 2 wogs. I love the wogs. They are so luxurious, so pretty, and so soft. Just like any wog, the colors are slightly varied, but after putting furniture and everything, it is barely noticeable. The sofa set is from Amazon. Links for everything that I purchased from Amazon will be on my Amazon store under outdoor living. However, because I'm still trying to fix a few things on my Amazon store, they are going to be in the description box as well. My new egg chair, also from Amazon. So comfortable, I love it. This thing makes me feel like a baby bear. It is a new addition to my patio furniture. I want to give a big shout out to my nephew because he put it together for me, although I don't have a clip to show that to you, but he did. Porque si no siento tu voz o tu olor, te extraño y te quiero ver. The pillow is from Burlington. I'm using the same outdoor throw that I have been using in my outdoor decor, just because we're no longer going to be sitting in the front. No, we're going to be sitting in the back. So I thought I would just bring them in the back, save myself some money, no need to buy new ones. Then I changed it for this one. Me haces falta, bebé. Dime qué tengo que hacer pa' tenerte de una vez, pa' no poderte perder. Dulce, eres mi bombón. Te quiero melocotón. Por ti corro un maratón. Ottoman, however you want to call it, I purchased it from Home Goods. I really like it. I think it brings that little touch of modernness, is that a word, to the patio decor. Love it. The chairs are from HomeSense and the pillows are from Home Goods. They were on my first front porch decor. They are perfect for back here. Fire pit table, also from Amazon. I don't know what to say about it other than the fact that I like it as well. And it works with pattern, which makes it easy to use. Mira, somos perfectos, es algo indiscutible. Mi estilo y tu estilo no están disponibles. Solo soy sensible cuando te tengo porque eres irresistible. It came with the glass border as well to control the fire and for safety. I'm gonna take a moment to welcome all of you who are here for the first time. I upload Glam home decor, DIY, and cleaning videos. Please hit your subscribe button, turn on your notification bell if you are into these things so you don't miss any videos as soon as I upload. And to all of you, my fellow Glam squad, thanks so much for stopping by today. When I saw these nesting tables on the Amazon website, oh my god, I had to have them, but there was only one problem. They are indoor table and my style is glam. I did not want to break away from my glam style, so I decided to put them on the patio. They are so modern. I love the shape, which is the new shape that are coming out for furnitures now. The decorative pieces on top of them are from Home Goods and the greenery is from Target. This is the coffee table that came with the sofa set that I showed you earlier. It's gonna work perfectly in this corner because I have an ugly wire on the floor that I need to hide. Cute modern vase is from Amazon and also adding a little bit more pink to bring some colors. And then I'm gonna tie it up with some greenery. The bowl is from Home Goods or Home Sense and the musk are from Amazon. I really like them. They feel and look so good. On the side of them, I'm adding some cactus. The curtain tie backs are from Amazon. As a reminder, this is what it used to look like before. And now the final result. Enjoying this space. It is so peaceful, so quiet, so beautiful here. Too bad the camera cannot translate all of this. It can even show you how beautiful it is. It is much more beautiful in person than in the camera. Even if I simply sit here to get a drink or sit on the egg chair while I'm editing, I'm just having the time of my life. Honestly, I do not have a favorite part on the patio. I love all the sitting area. These are a few pics of what it looks like at night. The light stopped working, so I don't have a video to show to you guys. It is truly magical. I want to show you guys the heater that I have back there is from Amazon. You know how it is on the East Coast. 1 minute it is really hot and the next minute it is cold. So the heater is really helping me out, except that I keep it out of the gazebo. If you have not seen the DIY patio, I definitely encourage you to check it out. Thanks to all of you for stopping by today. I am so happy you guys were here with me today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Please remember to hit your subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so they can let you know once I upload a new video. I love you always. Bye-bye.